If you are planning to accelerate your math track to pass the Algebra 2 TestOut exam, you need a strategy. Today, we are breaking down the Rochester Community Schools Algebra 2 TestOut Syllabus. I've looked through Q1 to Q4 requirements, and here are the takeaways. First up, this exam is entirely built around function and algebra transformation. Look at the first 3 quarters. It hits every major function, namely quadratic, polynomial, rational exponents, radical, exponential, logarithmic, and rational. The exam demands that you deeply understand the graphic features. The graph feature like the end behavior or a think thought, and exactly how transformation shift those graphs around. Now for the biggest hurdle, there is a warning sign. Only a scientific calculator will be allowed, which means no graphing calculator allowed. You absolutely cannot rely on TI-84. To survive this, you must rely on manual function skills, like factoring, mastering the vertex form, and know your parent function. You have to be able to graph these equations in your head. Moving into quarter 4, we see trig section, and honestly, this is reasonable. They keep it into the essential, right? Triangles, radius measure, and unit cycle, and basic graphing. Best of all, till now, they do not force you to memorize those tedious, complicated half-angle identities. Instead, this syllabus focuses on the most intuitive core concept, which makes building your foundation trig skills a lot less stressful. Finally, this syllabus is a perfect design to pave the way for the high-level math and computation. We can see the probability here, which build your foundation for the AP statistics. Also, the series and the sequence portion here is one of the most critical sections in the AP Calc BC. It will help you to handling down the Taylor series on the road. And if you are aiming for math computation like AMC, being able to manipulate the polynomials is an absolute must-have skills. Overall, this is a rigorous but very fair syllabus. If you can conquer the mental graphing and master algebra without a graphing calculator, you will be in great shape. If you want a deep dive into how to study some of these specific units, let me know in the comments below.